Good morning, children. Welcome back to the art and craft class. Children, I am so happy that you all are enjoying your art and craft class, and I am glad to see all your works. Children, today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful flower like this. Okay? Using craft paper or newspaper. Let's begin. Children, for making this flower, what we need is colorful craft papers. See, colorful craft papers. You can take any color of your choice. If you don't have colorful sheet, then you can even use newspaper. Okay, you can use newspaper. The materials which we require for this craft are Fevicol, pencil, scissors, stapler, ruler and colorful craft paper. Okay, now I am starting with the craft. First of all, do the half of A4 sheet. This is half of the A4 sheet. Then start folding it this way, one side this side, then other this way. Okay, continue doing this like a fan. See, children, we get it like this, then fold it into half like this. We will get the center. See, this is the center. Now use stapler and staple at the center. Okay, now from this side cut it into a triangle shape. You can give any shape. I am giving triangle. You can even make circle, zigzag, whatever you like. Okay, now open it. Using Fevicol, you have to stick it from two sides. From this, stick this, and from the other end, open it nicely, then stick it. See, our flower is ready. Now we will cut a small circle from another color sheet and we will stick it at the center. Children, see, I have cut a small circle from another sheet and now I am going to stick it at the center. See, the simple flower is ready. Now we will use these flowers for making a bouquet of flowers. Okay, for that we need any sheet of any color. Okay, then we will cut few strips of green color for the stem like this, and then we will stick it like this. See, children, I have stick the strips for the stem. Now the last step is that we are going to stick the flowers and our bouquet will be ready. So stick the flowers. See children, our simple bouquet of flowers are ready. Isn't it cool? Now make your own bouquet of flowers and share that with me. I hope you enjoyed that craft. See you in the next class. Bye bye children.